Hello and welcome back to my video diary here at RAF Halton. My name is Air Recruit Keen and I'm here on BRTC Part 2 for the RAF Reserves. So this evening I thought I'd mix it up a little bit because the last few nights I've been doing the video diaries from my bed space. This evening I'm here in the common room / briefing room / revision room. We did a lot of revision last night because we knew today was a big day for the CBRN Practical and Theory tests. Also, if you look behind me, this is where they show the demonstration locker and the bed space. So when we have our inspections, this is how it all needs to look like. And talking about inspections, we've got another big one tomorrow. We've already had 2 junior NCO inspections from the corporals, and tomorrow we've got our senior NCO inspection from the sergeant. So he's coming up here to check out our bed spaces and our block. And the team already working really hard to get the block looking amazing. It's already at a decent standard, but it's going to get better for tomorrow. So we're doing the hoovering, more pipe work, we're doing the windows, the curtains and our own bed spaces, as well as getting our uniforms looking amazing for the senior NCO inspection tomorrow. So today was day 5. I can't quite believe it is day 5. This time has already flown by, the week has already flown by, and can't believe tomorrow is day 6. But yeah, today breakfast was at 7:15, another nice cooked breakfast, something you can look forward to when you come to Halton. I'm not just saying this, the food is actually quite decent, so you can look forward to that when you get on this course. After breakfast, went straight over to the IFPT and straight back into CBRN. As I said, we had our practical test and our theory test today. There is a lot of information to take on. If, like me, you've never heard of CBRN before and you know nothing about it, then you will need to do a lot of revision, which I needed to do big time, last night especially. So I was planning on going to bed about 9 o'clock, but it just wasn't going in. So I thought I need to pop over to the shop, get some sugar in me, get some energy in me, and then carry on with the revision. And it really paid off because today I passed my theory test, which I was really happy about. The whole course passed the theory test. If you're looking ahead to that test, it's another multiple choice 10 question test. You'll get 4 choices of answer, and obviously one of them is correct. And like I said, everything you need to know is in the booklet or is taught by the corporals, and it all goes in here somewhere. You've just got to find your own way of getting it out. So abbreviations and things that you can remember by. I've got quite a few. I won't share them with you because everyone's got their own kind of personal ways of remembering, and you'll come up with yours when you're on this course. Then we went into lunch. And we knew after lunch was going to be the CBRN practical test. So back in the chamber, exposed to CS gas again, where we had to do a series of drills. Things like the immediate action drill, so getting on your respirator within a certain amount of time, drinking drills, eating drills, decontamination drills, also what to do when you're attacked in a nuclear environment. And again, it was a really tough test. There is so much to remember, but it just comes to you. When you're in the motion, it just comes to you. And again, everybody bar 2 people passed that test today. And those 2 people, they just retook it in the afternoon and they've all now passed it. So we're all through to the next stage of the course. Talking about that, by the way, if you're on this course and you do fail a section of the course, all that will happen is you're going to continue through the course, finish the course, and then the part you failed, you'll have to come back and redo. So there's a guy that's just turned up, just said hello to him actually before this video. He failed on the rifle stuff, so he's back this evening and he's going to be here for the rifle part of the test, the course, which is the next part, which I, for one, am very, very excited about. And I know a lot of the guys and girls are as well, because we get to, actually have a feel of the rifle, learn all about it. And that's happening tomorrow after the senior NCO inspection. He's coming down here tomorrow morning. I believe we have to be ready by 7:20, which means 7:10 by our bed spaces. And then he's going to take us down to the armoury to collect our rifles, and then we're back over to the IFPT to learn all about them. And I cannot wait. It's one of the parts I've really been looking forward to. So I'll give you another update on how that went tomorrow in part 6. Can't believe it's day 6 tomorrow, but there you go. Right, I'm gonna leave you, but don't forget we are gonna do a Q&A session at the end of this video diary. So if you have got any questions that you want to ask, you can get them in by just commenting below or by sending them through, and we'll get to them and we'll answer them for you.